we have another project going in the middle of all our other projects. We were out here yesterday checking out the outhouse, and we decided to come back today and change this door out. We had bought a door months back and haven't had a minute to come out here, but we need to change the door out because this door on it, the cabin, will not stay shut. So,
Yeah, well, so here's excuse me. Here's the deal. If you're just picking up with us here, we bought an investment property that's got kind of a one-room cabin on it, and we're just now getting around to starting to kind of fix up some of the issues and things that it has. We still don't know what the full plan is. We don't have water out here, sewer. We do have electric. We got new electric installed. So we're just trying to figure out if we're going to do more of an off-grid kind of thing, or bite the bullet and drill a well and all the septic stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's yet to be determined, but anyway, we can at least change this door out. So
yeah, that needs to be done.
yeah,
Keep the critters out.
yeah, y'all come check this out. Just like that. There she goes. Sure. All right.
To the burn pile?
No, let's just lean it up against that tree for now. All right, ready?
It's not easy to carry like this. Now get on the other side.
they always say you never know about Missouri's weather. It can change just like that. Well, here you go.
It changed.
It's snowing, and started off, kind of clear and sunny this morning. Oh, that insulation.
Yep.
So I discovered more rot than I was hoping for. This bottom plate, bottom seal, totally rotted out here. So I'm just gonna try to get the nails out. I'll get a new bottom seal in here, and then we'll have to get it pinned down. But that's where we're at on that. Yeah. Always more than you bargained for.
Always. There's one spot he already had a fix over here.
Yeah, I already fixed one.
This seems to be maybe a little worse.
That's all you got left, huh?
I can look for more. All right, so we're having a little lunch break in the truck because, as you could tell by my nose, it is freezing cold outside. It's actually snowing a little bit right now. So anyhow, lunch break in the warm truck, and we'll get back to it.
The idea is install the door, we'll level the hinge side, put a couple of screws in it, make sure it works good, make sure it's all level, and then we'll screw it up.
Okay. Come in. Welcome.
You got it.
A new door, one that'll actually close.
Didn't know if we were gonna get it.
Thank you for all your hard work, babe. I appreciate it. Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. Thank you. New doors installed. Looks good and it works good.